This is a quick tutorial on how to edit using VN editor on your mobile application or your iPad. So we're just gonna create a new project. Let's try this one. Okay, to import your presets, go to filter, click add, find the location of the LUTs that you downloaded. Mine happens to be in the file app. Let's go to presets, and all you have to do, guys, is just click on this. Click every single preset that you downloaded and click open. Once finished, it's gonna look like this. I created a folder for this, or a name. I just place UW. So what I really don't like about VN editor, I tried this last night. This is my first time using this. Is that the only adjustment you can make is this one: exposure, contrast, brightness, saturation, vibrance, temperature, HSL, vignette, sharpen, hue, highlight, shadows, and noise reduction. You can't adjust the RGBs, the red, green, and blue. But yeah, we'll just try to make this work. I use my GoPro settings on this shot. As you can see, it's quite greenish. You can see some reds, but let's try and pick some of my presets that you've downloaded. So we'll start from here. We'll try to adjust. We'll find one, and I think this also works good. I think I'm gonna go with this because the reds came back from this to this. Let's try adjusting. So I'm just gonna play with my exposure, contrast. Okay, brightness maybe. I think I'm good with this. Saturation, do I need to change it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of saturation. Vibrance. Yeah, I kinda think it works. Temperature, we'll just try. Ah, I'm gonna focus on the greens. You can pick any color here, guys. Just play with the sliders. Maybe we'll go to green and adjust a little bit. So I could change the colors of the green here, as seen on the video. Maybe I could try to make it more or less saturated. Luminance. How about the blue? Maybe we can change it also. I think I'm good with this. I'm just gonna make this more easier, guys, not complicated, because if I make it more complicated, it's gonna take a long time. The LUTs are there. I'm gonna do some sharpening on this. Can I zoom in? Okay, I can't zoom in. Maybe I won't touch this. Highlights. No, I'm not gonna touch this. Shadows, maybe I'm just gonna leave it there. For the noise reduction, let's try just a little bit, maybe 10, and let's play it from there. There's color from the surface to the bottom of the ocean. Okay, so this is the before and after. Before, after. Before, after. So this was shot using a normal profile with GoPro Hero 12. I just rented out a GoPro Hero 12 for this shot. So let's try and do some color grading with this. Let's try every filter if everything works. Too violet. Maybe we can adjust the intensity. This also works. This one, second one I'm choosing. I'm gonna try. We can always try and adjust the intensity, but there are some shots uh, that you really have to pick a preset for this. This one, not. I think I'm gonna go with the bluer one. Exposure, contrast, brightness, saturation, vibrance, maybe. Just do some minor adjustment, guys. Temperature, I think I'm gonna leave it here. I don't need to change it. You can change the color blue, guys. You can pick this, you can choose this one. Really depends on your preference. Just play with the sliders. I think I'm good with this. Vignette sharpen, maybe we can add some highlights. I don't think I need to change this. Also with the shadows, I think I'm good with that. Noise reduction, let's try this. Just a little bit maybe. I can't see properly on this VN editor. I can't zoom in. I can't see. There's no scopes here. There's no scope here. So let's just check it out. This is the before, after. So let's play it. So that's the final result. From this to this. So let's try another one, the last one. We'll just try with this shot. This was an old video of me swimming with a turtle. I just followed it around. So let's try and choose. Let's go to UW. Just gonna try. See? These presets work. I tried to make it a drag and drop preset just to make it more easier for you guys to edit. Don't have to it doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe we'll try with this one. It looks really good. Adjust some exposure, contrast, brightness maybe, saturation. Yeah, it's a little bit vibrance, temperature, maybe a little bit. I'm good with the colors. I don't think I need to adjust the HSL. Sharpen maybe, yes. You uh, you can try and change it, but I think this color is really good already. I don't need to change it. Highlights, no. Noise reduction, yeah. I think we're all good. So your video just went from this to this. It's just easy, guys. You don't have to complicate it. If you check the video, the visibility at this time wasn't that good. So yeah, I think my preset did a great job in color grading this one. It went from greenish to this. It's a good it's a good purchase, guys. You won't regret buying this. So as you've seen, yeah, again, you have to consider the lighting, visibility, the angle that you're shooting, and the frame rate. If you want to slow it down, I think go for 120 FPS. Not 60. But if you're a good swimmer, you can slow down underwater. You can move gracefully underwater. Just try 60 FPS.